It has never been more apparent that the need for some level of skill in scripting, automation, and development is going to be necessary, particularly for most advanced fields in the IT world. The rapid growth of cloud technologies and DevOps as a skill set in general is driving this need even faster. If you aren't already working on learning skills like Python, Bash, or PowerShell, allow me to make my argument on why PowerShell, especially as a Windows administrator, can be a great first dip into this world. If you are entirely new to programming, the simplicity of PowerShell and its syntax can help make the transition a lot easier. A lot of the syntax in PowerShell is highly readable, often resembling natural language, and the verb-noun standard of writing commandlets often makes it very easy to know what a particular piece of code is trying to do. Declaring your first variables and then utilizing them is also a straightforward concept in PowerShell. PowerShell is also what is called an interpreted language, meaning that you can write code and see the results immediately without the need for compiling the code into some form of executable to be run. Most Windows systems also come with PowerShell pre-installed, along with the Integrated Scripting Environment, or ISE, making it really easy to get started. Another added bonus to PowerShell is that the official documentation on the learn.microsoft.com website is highly detailed and can help with getting you quickly up to speed on new concepts. On top of the official documentation, there's also a great community around PowerShell. Tools like GitHub can also be a great resource for finding other users of the language, as well as looking for available scripts that may be useful to you. However, I advise being extremely cautious when utilizing any code from outside sources. You need to at least understand the basics of what you are doing before you make a mistake that may put you or your systems at risk. If you are already in the IT industry, learning PowerShell can more than likely provide immediate benefit to your current role. As a systems administrator or field service technician, automating boring and repetitive tasks and creating your own utility scripts will only improve your quality of life. This, for me, was the catalyst to see how much further I could move into the realm of software development and begin solving a lot of my own problems by creating things like portable CLI tools or even web APIs to do certain tasks. Luckily, the knowledge you accumulate in PowerShell translates very well to other programming and scripting languages like Python and C#. Concepts like variables, which are a named reference to a memory location in the computer that holds a certain value, conditional statements that control the flow of code based on certain conditions, and loops that let you iterate over a list of values exist in many other languages. As you continue to learn and improve your understanding of these core concepts in PowerShell, you will begin to see many of the similarities shared with other programming languages. Hopefully this quick video gives you a brief introduction to why I think PowerShell is a great opportunity to get into the world of software development for those of you who may not have any experience in that world.